Hey, so I'm gonna work on my car today. Come here, come here. Look at this. Work on my vehicle. I'm about to change my own oil and do some more, other preventative maintenance. Now, as you can see, get a better look here, a better angle. This is my vehicle, my 2009 Honda Civic. I've had it since 2011. When I bought it in California, taking it with me here to Florida. This baby's treating me well. I already got it on jack stands. I also got chalk blocks on. Why? Safety, I guess. Bad habit, or habit. There's no such thing as too much safety, you know? I did not record me jacking it up because why would you want to see that? And I'll try to get some angles for you, but, I will be under there changing my own oil, taking care of my baby. Real quick, check this out. Got my oil pan here. All that used oil is about to go inside here. I got a new oil filter screw, whatever this thingamajig's called. It's gonna help me take that old oil filter out. Got my ratchet and socket set right here. And I'm about to put these gloves on after I'm done recording and then go underneath there to change my oil. Hopefully no final destination shit happens and I get crushed and die. So, wish me luck. Real quick. This is just a vlog. This is for entertainment. This is for my girlfriend in the West Coast. Hey, honey. This is not a tutorial. I'm not here to instruct you in any way, shape, or form. This is just for fun. So, no lawsuits or anything like that, please. All right, so once I loosen this up, I just undo it with my hands. There we go. Oh, wow. I miscalculated that. Great. And let all that pour out. Could take a minute, but wait for that to stop. Once it does, I'll just wipe the ends off before putting the screw back on. Any minute now. Yeah, buddy. So, oh, wrong way. Screw that bad boy back on. One last wipe. Come here. And we'll tighten it away from oil. There we go. Not too much. That's enough. I'll wipe it again just a much. Wow, my car's fucking filthy. Bottom, inside, damn. I don't know if you could. Not sure you can see it well, but that is the oil filter. So I'm gonna put this right over here. Hopefully I don't miss the mark this time. I'm gonna get the thingamajig and get it off. Wait a minute. I think that was the wrong way. Oh, wait a minute. That's what this is for. There we go. more. Yeah, buddy. So we were done with the oil. Nope. Should catch it. I want to flop on this oil pan and all this oil flops out. Buddy. Now, like that one, I'm gonna wait till this thing finishes before I wipe it down and put the new one on it. I'm gonna do a wipe down here. Wipe it all down. Looks like it's done. Dripping out. So swipe it. Once I do that, I'll get my new oil filter and I'm putting it on there. Not too tight, but all right. As tight as I can get it with my hands. Yeah, there you go. All right, now that the hardest part's over and my life is no longer in danger, time to put some new oil, baby. Let's hope I don't fuck around and somehow miss. Somehow. Beautiful, beautiful. That bad boy up. I just completed an oil change. Mission accomplished. So, now for the most fun part of the post oil change process, the cleanup. I got put that old oil into that empty container, and I somehow always make a mess. Let's hope that I can do a better job this time. Woo-wee. Come on, buddy. Wish me luck. Am I getting it? Oh, yes, I am. Damn it. Slow and steady. Not a horrible job. Not a horrible job. I've had worse mishaps in the past, but successful nonetheless. I'm also going to change my oil filter. So it's not bad, but no, it's worse than the bottom. That's a good thing about a new one. Get on the same side at least. New, old. You could probably already tell, right? Get that out of here. Got the new one in. Yeah, buddy. A few weeks ago, I just changed my serpentine belt. Looking brand new. The other year, about 2 years ago, I replaced the alternator. And right below that, right there, the AC compressor, I replaced that last year. So some of these are brand new parts, even though it don't look it, because underneath my hood's a mess. I need to clean it. Yeah. But I've done a lot of hard work on this vehicle, and I can't imagine how much money I saved by doing my own maintenance. All right, I'm not sure how much you can see, but I'm looking at the brake pad over here. And for what I can see, there's still a good amount, so this brake is good. And for the tread of my tires, from both what I can see, and I put my hands across it, that's still pretty damn good. And now I'm going to repeat for the other 3 tires. It's disgusting outside. Typical Florida weather. But my tires are good, brake pads are good. Now, it's time to check the air in my tires. PSI measurer, PSI gauge count. You know, I'm not good with these names. I know what they do, I'm just not good with the names. I'm gonna use this to check the tire pressure. Press that button, reset, make sure it's at 0. I'm looking for no less than 32 PSI. So, I'm gonna put it on side, unscrew it, press it. Oh boy. Time to inflate these tires. Before I do that, let me show you what I got in my trunk real quick. Got my jack stands, jack, some tools, gloves, a lifting strap when I decide to lift heavy again. Shout out to Redcon 1. I got a bunch of work gloves. I shouldn't be buying gloves anytime soon. Got a digital tire inflator. This one I'm going to use to put air on my tires. Oh, real quick, let me show you something. I lost it. Oh, it's right here. Noco. Got my own jump starter. Got my own little jump start. Plug. There we go. Now, in case my battery dies for whatever reason, I'm on the road, ain't nobody around to help me out, I just plug this bad boy in. Not plug it in, but attach these to the battery. Press the power button. Once it's ready to go, I jump start my own vehicle. Luckily, I've not had to use this yet, but at least once a month, I check the power by going inside and charging it like once a month, making sure it has a good charge just in case. This cost me, I don't remember, it was under $100. There are bigger models, but this one is good enough for a Honda Civic. Definitely a need, a necessity. Speaking of necessities, I also have an emergency first aid kit right there. And yeah, that's everything I have in my trunk. Got it attached there. Now press play. All right, 32 PSI. One last thing before I wrap it up for the day. For those who don't work on their own vehicle, you might not know this. And I'm not going to admit when I actually learned this, but I know it now. And I'm gonna show you. Glove compartment. Yeah, buddy. Then you just squeeze. Oh shit, you can't see it. Squeeze both sides. Lower it, yeah. And then there's your cabin air filter. I'm gonna take it out. Sorry for the view. Need both hands. There we go. Light. Take this out. Oh my fucking god. Shit. Obviously, it's been a while since I last checked on this. So I'm gonna take this nasty piece of shit, toss it over there. And I'm gonna take this bad boy. Night and day. Take that bad boy and put it right back where I found it. Right there. Click it there. That means it's working. Yeah, 1 minute. And both my hands. All right. My task or list of tasks for the day are complete. Nope. I forgot one more thing. There's one more thing I have to do before I can continue on with my day, go to the gym, and do other things. This. So I gotta take that one that we just replaced today, and that one that I replaced in an oil change I did a couple months ago that I held off, telling myself I was gonna do later, and forgot all about it. So now I have 2 jugs of used oil that I have to take to the auto shop down the street and recycle. Do not worry. Do not worry. I got sunscreen on. I'm hydrated. And we're only going down the street in this August. Nope, it's September 2nd. September, Florida weather. It's still fucking gross, but hey, this will be my cardio for the day. So I'm walking back now, and I'm not gonna give names, but the auto shop that I was in, I went to their engine oil section just to compare prices, and they had the exact same product, brand, type of oil, everything. The exact same product for over $10 more than what I got at Walmart. Ain't that some shit? So even though it was true, you can save a lot of money by learning and doing your own vehicle maintenance. It also matters where you get it from, because they're charging over $10 more for the same product that I can get at Walmart. Think about that. Just wanted to give some final thoughts before I wrap this video up. Oh God, look at me. What a mess. It's all right. I worked on my car most of the day. Took a good portion of my day, but I enjoy working on my vehicle. In fact, I regret not knowing how to work on my own vehicle years earlier. Man, I just think about how much money I could have saved. Maybe I could have gotten out of debt far earlier if I knew. No reason to cry about that. But I will say this. I think it's essential for everyone to know at least the basics of vehicle maintenance. Not only the aspects of self-reliance, but also it can save you a hell of a lot of money. I remember the first project I did, I replaced my own starter. The part I got from rockauto.com, and it was about $200, but that's all I spent, and the shipping. Yeah, just about anywhere else, I would have paid almost double for that minimum, because labor cost is no joke around here. I mean, hell, just knowing how to do your own oil change, brake pads, changing your tires, I mean, that can save you a lot of money in itself. Well, I'm off to the gym now, about to work out, come back, eat, and relax. Thank you for spending your day with me. I hope you enjoyed. And again, this was not a tutorial, just a vlog. Thank you, and have a good day. Bye.